If your music skills end at humming in the shower, you're about to feel like a superstar. Riffusion makes music from mere words. No guitar? No problem. Welcome to day 8 of my 30 days, 30 new AI tools series. Today, we're diving into Riffusion, an AI that turns your words into original music. No need for instruments, fancy software, or even music lessons. Just type what you want to hear. Let's see it in action. I'll type epic cinematic music for a movie trailer. And in seconds, Riffusion cooks up this dramatic soundtrack, all AI made. Now let's get creative. How about cyberpunk synthwave with neon vibes? Check out those futuristic beats. Riffusion is a total game changer for creators. YouTubers, podcasters, game developers, anyone who needs custom music fast. You don't have to spend hours searching for the perfect track or worry about copyright. Just type your idea and let Riffusion do its magic. Now I want to hear from you. What wild music prompt should I try next? Drop your craziest ideas in the comments and I'll generate it in the next video. If you thought this was cool, wait until tomorrow. I'm testing an AI that can turn your voice into a song. So hit like, subscribe, and get ready for day 9 of this wild AI ride. See you there.